Stop falling for these 5 farming lies. It is time to rethink how we manage our poultry to ensure better health and productivity for every single one of you. Today, we need to have a serious conversation about the industry. There are 5 common misconceptions that are currently destroying the livelihoods of many hardworking chicken farmers. Don't believe the myths. Many people think farming is just luck, but it takes hard work, dedication, and knowledge to raise these birds properly every single day.
People often think farming is a quick way to riches, but it requires patience and hard work. It is certainly not easy money, but the reward is in watching them grow.
Hard work pays, and you have to keep at it every single day to see the real results, because nothing worth having comes without some serious dedication.
Cleaning the coop, providing fresh water, and giving feed every single day. Poultry farming is not a form of passive income. It is truly hard and active work. Some say you do not need a plan, but please do not believe it. Even a simple notebook plan is far better than having no plan at all. To succeed in poultry farming, you must calculate 3 things: the cost of day-old chicks, the total feed expenses from